Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a poll in WhatsApp. Let's get started. Launch the WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Open any chat where you want to send the poll. Click on the attachment icon, usually a paperclip icon, in the chat bar. Select the poll icon from the options that appear. Type your question in the Ask a Question field. Provide the options for the poll. You can add multiple options by clicking on the Add Option button. Once you've added all your options, click Send to share the poll in the chat. To see the results of your poll, click on View Votes or View Poll in the chat. And that's it. You've successfully created a poll in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials.